how to crochet a scrunchie. To start with, you're going to need a bobble and 2 different colours of yarn and a crochet hook. Start off doing a slip knot. Then get your bobble and have the yarn behind it with the hook in front. Do a chain stitch going inside the bobble. Then do another chain stitch. Now you're just going to do a double crochet all the way around the bobble. Going to do it all the way around until you come right back to the start. The best thing about this pattern is that there's no counting, so you can just crochet to your heart's content until you get back to the start. You haven't got to keep track of how many stitches you're doing. So I'll meet you in a minute when we're all the way back round. Once you get all the way around, chain stitch into the first stitch that you've done. This is just to pull the 2 ends together. So now you want to chain stitch 3 and do a triple crochet into the loops of the single crochets you've already done. You need to do 3 triple crochets into each loop. This will help create the weavy pattern. If you are struggling to find the loops, pull it apart like this and you should clearly see where your next stitch should go. You can see the loops that you're meant to be going into. So you need to repeat this pattern all the way around, doing 3 triple crochets inside each of them loops, all the way around until you get back to the start. So when you get back to the start, you need to chain stitch one into the end and bring both sides together. So weave the tail of the bottom end up to the tail of the one you just got, and then you're going to triple knot them together. You can either cut the ends or weave them back into your work. Now you want to get your next colour of yarn. You're going to be working into the top loops of the triple crochet. Pull the yarn through to create a loop. Now you want to go into the next loop with your hook and do a single crochet. Keep on doing this all the way around until you get back to the start. Cut your yarn on the last stitch and pull it all the way through the loop. Triple knot both ends together. Either cut or weave your ends back into your work. You have completed your scrunchie. Now if you want to start selling them, then you need to add some packaging. I'm just using a simple cardboard holder with my brand of stamp on it. Add a bit of hot glue and your scrunchie is complete and ready for sale. It's time for the famous YouTube saying, please like and subscribe to the channel if you want more. If you want to get alerts of any new videos that I'm going to be doing, then do hit the subscribe button and like this video.